How could we relate to the current scenario, COVID-19? Yes, we are all in victim phase, no doubt about it. But we need to understand that we are not going to be stuck in this moment forever. We are going to take these moments very positively, optimistically, and equip ourselves in a way where we can move on further. Yes, now loved ones are more important. Our life is more important. We need to work on it, and we need to stay at home and be prepared for the outcomes. We may be saved. There's a lot of possibilities that we all, have our loved ones with us. But the next point is, how are we going to handle the economic downfall? How are we going to handle our finances, our job? So this is a quite difficult times, I agree. And it is not like something is not at all there and we are assuming it to be so. It's a conventional truth. The truth is right there. But what is the attitude which we need to carry in this? We need to focus on the current problem, to be at home, to prevent COVID-19, and we need to be protective about our family. That's right. But the next thing is we need to understand that it is not the right moment to think about our finances and our economic things and worry now. We need not be fearful now. So, what are we supposed to do? Spiritually, in the line of spirituality or in the line of self development, we can understand that introspection is the primary concept which we need to deal about. We need to think about introspection first. Then we need to understand that isolation and this situation is helpful to us to be more self reflective. And then we need to understand about resolving techniques, meditation, and equip ourselves with the ultimate knowledge which will help us to balance with the conventional truth to the ultimate truth. So this self-development concept has to be taken as one of the important technique for us to balance this current scenario. We may all have many more techniques to think about and learn about. Yes, please do understand and learn things. And this particular part of self development is also very important. Learn about it, understand about your own self. That's very, very pertinent to the situation.